Welcome back, dear students, to Simplified Maths. Today, in this particular lecture, dear children, we are continuing with exercise 7.1. Okay, in the last lecture, we have started exercise 7.11. Okay, and in that 7.11, I think we have discussed up to sum number 6. Right now, I go further. Page number 347, just look in the textbook, all of you. Right now, sum number 7 is just a simple one. I'm not writing it. In fact, I'm just giving you the hint that what you have to put is, okay, put 1 minus x instead of, okay, in place of x. That's all, and then you will get the answer. Okay, now I take 8 sum. Okay, 7 sum is similar to that of what we did in the last lecture. Okay, now the sum number 8, just see, it is bit important sum because this particular sum will be useful in some other problems also. ओके कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम्स आएगा उसमें भी ये ऐसी टर्म आएगी जो सम है ना, log of 1 plus 10x dx, and the limits are given from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now in this, what to do? First thing is just what we did earlier. Instead of x, put pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so that is the same thing what we are doing since last lecture. So log of 1 plus 10 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, in place of x, put pi by 4 minus x dx. Okay, now is equal to, now here there is an addition formula, 10 of pi by 4 minus x. Addition formula we have to apply. So log 1 plus, now you know the addition formula, trigonometry, 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Okay, addition formula dx. Okay, now 10 pi by 4 is 1, so just put it 1 over there, and so it will be equal to log 1 plus 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Got it? From 0 to pi by 4. Limit 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Now take LCM in the bracket. Right? So if you take LCM in the bracket, LCM is 1 plus 10x. So log of LCM, I take 1 plus 10x LCM. Now that LCM will multiply with 1. So just see, I am just picking it orally and directly I will write the answer. 1 plus 10x plus 1 minus 10x. Correct? So what happened? 1 plus 10x plus 1 minus 10x. So plus 10x minus 10x cancel out. 1 plus 1, 2. So numerator is only 2 dx from 0 to pi by 4. Now one important thing, dosto, that here property of logarithm applies, that division, this is 2 upon 1 plus 10x, so it's a division. So division we can write as a subtraction. You know the property of logarithm, right? So I will write on the next page. This will be what? Log 2 means log of numerator minus log of denominator, that I will write on the next page. So it is equal to, okay, so I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus 10x and dx. Don't forget to keep the bracket because the whole dx it is. Now apply integration to both the terms separately. And so 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. ठीक है. Now see, look at this term log of 1 plus 10x dx from 0 to pi by 2 pi by 4 and look at the sum. Look at the problem. Okay, just see, it is nothing but the problem itself, isn't it? ये पहले वो initial जो term था ना, the it is there. So now this will be written as I. So here it is already I. So therefore I is equal to, now so log 2 is also constant, that you can take it out. So I take log 2 out. Log 2 integration of 1 dx from 0 to pi by 4 and minus I. This is I. Just look in the sum in textbook. Okay. Now see, that is why this sum is important, because in this again I comes, which we have to take on this side again. So minus I will come on this side. It will become what? 2I. Okay. So what we will have answer? 2I is equal to, therefore 2I is equal to log 2 into, now integration of 1 is x, from 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Now apply the limits, upper limit, lower limit. So answer will be what? Only pi by 4, no? Okay. So it is equal to log 2 into pi by 4. Minus 0 no need to write, but this is 2I equals to, be careful. So final answer I is equal to, so 2 will be going down, so it will become pi by 8. So final answer is pi by 8 log 2. So ये हो गया हमारा answer. Got this? Okay. So this was quite important sum, dear students. So this is sum number 8. And now again you think of sum number 9. In sum number 9, again what you have to do is, I am just giving you the hint in sum number 9 again. I am writing the sum also. It is x under root of 2 minus x dx. And from 0 to 2 given it is. Okay. So that is equal to, in place of x, put 2 minus x. अब आप देखो कि ऑलमोस्ट हर एक सब में सेम मेथड स्टार्ट होता है कि नहीं. इंस्टेड ऑफ x 2 minus x, so it will be 0 to 2 2 minus x and into this will be what? 2 minus x dx. Okay. So now what this under root quantity will become? 2 minus 2 cut, minus minus plus x, so it will be simply root x. Okay. And that root x means x raised to half. That x raised to half you have to multiply with this bracket 2 minus x, and then you just integrate and then you apply the limit. So I have just given you the hint. Okay. So further steps you just try yourself in the homework. I have just given you the beginning. Okay. Right. Then look at sum number 10. What is there in sum number 10? Sum number 10 is I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and the sum given is 2 log sin x. It is given as 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. Okay, right? This is the sum given, and now let us see what to do over here, right? I think again it is 0 to a like sum. Okay, so we have to go for the same thing, but let us see that if you take it sin pi by 2 minus x, then it will be cos x. One more thing I can do is that this square quantity you can take over here, isn't it? And this division you can subtraction you can take it as division. This is one thing I am thinking of. Okay, so just let us try. But before I go for division, एक और चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आती है जो अभी मैंने बोला वो भी कर सकते हो, बट बिफोर आई गो फॉर दैट आई एम थिंकिंग समथिंग एल्स दैट व्हाट इज साइन 2x, 2 sin x cos x, no? And let us put it, let us see what happens. Okay, so it is 0 to pi by 2 2 log sin x minus log of sin 2x formula trigonometry 2 sin x cos x whole dx. Okay, now before still again I go for division. अब फिर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो डिवीज़न करेंगे. अभी यहाँ पे देर इज़ अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन 2 इंटू साइन एक्स इंटू कॉस एक्स, इजंट इट? सो व्हाट्स द लॉगरिथम प्रॉपर्टी? मल्टीप्लीकेशन बिकम्स एडिशन. सो लेट मी टेक इट एज एडिशन और देखिए क्या होता है. सो इज इक्वल टू 0 टू पाई बाई 2. दिस इज 2 log sin x, 2 log sin x minus, now be careful, all these become addition, but because of the negative sign outside, it will be all become subtraction. So minus log 2, then it is plus but become minus, minus log of sin x, and again plus become minus because of minus outside, minus log of cos x whole dx. So क्या किया मैंने? This multiplication all become addition using the properties of log. Okay, now see 2 log sin x minus log sin x, then you can take this subtraction, so it will be simply log sin x plus log sin x हो जाएगा ना. So it is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, it will be log sin x, then minus this thing log cos x, and minus log 2 I write in the end. So minus log cos x and this minus log 2. Okay, minus log 2 from 0 to pi by 2 and whole dx. Okay. Now here I can think of again two things. One thing is that first two terms I can take a division because of subtraction. If I take a division, it will be sin x upon cos x, that is tan x. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर वो करेंगे तो फिर से उसमें वो u v करना पड़ेगा because it is log of tan x, तो उसमें कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. So मेरे दिमाग में और एक अभी आता है the same formula which we are applying throughout till 9 sum, that it is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, apply this integration to all the three separately. Means the first term as it is log sin x dx minus second term also. Right now I am not doing anything except I am opening the bracket. So 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx and minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, and now the first term I keep as it is, and in the second term, instead of x put pi by 2 minus x. So minus 0 to pi by 2 log of cos pi by 2 minus x dx. Instead of x, put pi by 2 minus x. And this last term, log 2 constant. So log 2, I take it out, and integration of 1 dx from 0 to pi by 2. ठीक है, right? Now what? Now see that what is cos of pi by 2 minus x? It is sin x, no? So it becomes log of sin x. And look at the first term. It is also log of sin x. And what is the sign in between? Minus. So दोनों क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel हो जाएगा ना? But that you have to show, huh? Directly don't write. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx minus, or this is also 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx and minus log 2 integration of 1 dx. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. So क्या हुआ, ये पूरी टर्म ये और ये सिमिलर टर्म हो गई कट, है ना? इट्स गॉट कैंसल आउट एंड वी आर ऑल बिगिनिंग विथ, स्टार्टिंग में हमने आई लिखा हुआ है, तो ये क्या है एक्चुअली, दिस इज नथिंग बट आई. तो ये पूरी दोनों टर्म तो निकल गई. नाउ यू कैन टेक इंटीग्रेशन ओवर हियर. वन का क्या होगा, एक्स. सो आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो log 2 into x from 0 to pi by 2, isn't it? Okay, so I is equal to, okay, therefore I is equal to log 2 into into x from 0 to pi by 2. Now I apply limits, upper limit, lower limit. So it will be log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0, no need to write. So what is the final answer? यहाँ तो I है ना, so this is the answer, that's all. So our answer is, okay, क्या हमारा आंसर आएगा finally? It will be log 2 into pi by 2. So it will be pi by 2 log 2. Oh, minus में भूल गया क्या हुआ? Oh yeah, sorry. Just hold on. It is minus, हाँ, sorry. ये माइनस टर्म है, देखो पीछे एक बार फिर से, अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो इट इज़ माइनस log 2. तो ये माइनस आई फॉरगॉट, सो माइनस इज देयर. सो यहाँ पे भी आ गया माइनस. सो फाइनल आंसर इज माइनस पाई बाई 2 log 2. दैट्स ऑल. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हो कि माइनस यू कैन टेक इन द पावर ऑफ 2. सो 2 raised to minus 1, it become 1 upon 2. So log of 1 upon 2, but it is unnecessary. You can put this as the answer, no problem. Okay, right. Now from 11th sum onwards, we are using few more properties which we have not yet used. You know that properties of odd function in even function. अब देखो 11th sum से क्या होता है, sum number 11. 11th sum given is I is equal to integration from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x dx. Sin square x dx. Okay, right? Now how do I come to know that I have to think of even or odd function? So for that you have to again look at all the properties which we discussed in the not even in the last lecture but उससे पहले का जो लेक्चर था प्रीवियस, उसमें हमने वो सब प्रॉपर्टीज डिस्कस किया था. लुक एट दिस, माइनस ए टू ए, इट इज समथिंग लाइक माइनस पाई बाय 2 to pi by 2 minus a to a. And if the limit comes like this, then always first of all think of the function whether it is even or odd. Okay, right. Now here just see that the function given is sin square x. Here the function means fx. Fx is equal to sin square x. Now how to check even or odd? क्या करना होगा? You have to put minus x. Okay, so it will be sin square minus x. ठीक है, sin square minus x. Now we know that sin is odd function. So sin of minus x is minus sin x, but there is a square, and because it is a square, it is becoming positive only. So it is going to be sin square x only. Otherwise अगर square नहीं होता तो वो minus हो जाता. but because it is a square, it is sine square x. And so it is nothing but what? क्या मिला? fx only, no? Isn't it? So finally what we got? F of minus x is equal to fx हुआ. That means what? This property shows that the function is even function. Isn't it? Thus you can say, thus the function f is even function. Right? Now, if the function is even, then what is the property? So, I is equal to, now you have to look at the list of the property if you forgot. Minus a to a fx dx, and if the function is even, then it will be 2 times 0 to a means 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay, it will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay, so how this come? This because of the function f is even. Okay, in case the function is odd, then what do you remember? Then no calculation, students. Answer is 0. If the function becomes odd, then answer is 0, and usually such sums will be there in the MCQs. Odd वाले सब MCQs में ज़्यादा आएंगे because there is no calculation. Only we have to check whether odd or even. But if it is even, then there is some calculation, so it may be in the 2 marker sums. Now sine square x. So again think of the trigonometric formulas. Sine square x you know. Okay. So just put it. So 2 integration 1 minus cos 2x by 2. And from 0 to pi by 2. Right. Now these 2 cancel out. And so 1 minus cos 2x remain. And just think of integration now. That's all. So 1 का क्या होगा x, and cos 2x integration will be sin 2x by 2. So and therefore I is equal to x minus sin 2x by 2 and from. Okay. So what is the limit given there now? It is 0 to pi by 2. Because वो 2 times कर दिया था ना, so 2 कट हो गया, so 0 to pi by 2 हो गया. Now that's all. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. So first upper limit, so upper limit रखेंगे तो pi by 2 minus. Here if you put upper limit, pi by 2 here in place of x. So 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2, 2 cut, sin pi is 0. 0 by 2, 0. So it is 0 only. Correct? So upper limit हो गया minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. So it will be 0 minus, this is also sin 0 upon 2. So that is also 0. So everything is gone, only pi by 2 is our answer. Okay? Right? So this is the way, okay friends, we have to do the sums. Right? Now suppose that I take sum number 12. Let's look at the sum number 12. देखो 12 sum is 0 to pi x dx upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, now again it is 0 to pi. So let us think of pi minus x, right? So is equal to, this I put as pi minus x dx upon 1 plus sine of pi minus x. Okay, from 0 to pi, right? Now you know sine of pi minus x what? It is sine x only, correct? So it is pi minus x dx I write in the side में, और यहाँ पे this will be 1 plus sin x dx I write here over here. Okay, so ऐसे तो हमने बहुत सारे सम कर दिए आज तक में अभी लास्ट लेक्चर में, टुडे ऑल्सो. Let us say this is number 1 given sum. Let us say this is number 2, right? And see this is also I, correct? अब क्या हो गया देखो, 1 और 2 just observe. You can see that denominators equal, and so take addition of 1 and 2, ऐसे सम हमने किए है ना, राइट. सो टेकिंग, ओके, नाउ टेकिंग सम नंबर equation 1 plus 2, okay, we get, so I plus I, what it will be, 2I. Now denominator is same, so just take LCM 1 plus sin x. Now what is in the numerator? X plus pi minus x, x plus pi minus x dx from 0 to pi. Now here what, x cancel out, no? So only pi left, pi remain in the numerator. That pi is a constant quantity that you can take it out. So on the next page I am taking this pi out. So it will be 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, so 2I is equal to, okay, thus, so 2I is equal to pi out 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, students. Now once you get this, one important thing which is to be used in all these type of terms whenever it comes. See, it is what type of term I am telling you, 1 upon 1 plus sin x है ना. Similarly, suppose याद रखना है तो रख लो या नोट डाउन कर लो. If it is 1 upon 1 plus sin x or 1 upon 1 minus sin x or 1 upon 1 plus cos x or 1 upon 1 minus cos x, anything comes like that, in that you divide and multiply by the conjugate to make an identity of the trigonometry. So here 1 plus sin x will be divided and multiplied by 1 minus sin x. तो ऐसे कोई भी सम हो ना, not only this, suppose it is 1 minus sin x, then divide and multiply by 1 plus sin x. If it is 1 plus cos x, divide and multiply by 1 minus cos x, and definitely you will get the answer. Okay, 0 to pi. This is 2I equals to going on, be careful. So now it is equal to pi integration 0 to pi. Now what is denominator? 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x, can I write it directly? Cos square x. And the numerator is 1 minus sin x. Okay, right? Now what? Separate the denominators. Just separate it. Okay. So it is equal to pi into integration of 1 upon cos square x, that will be sec square x. Sec square x dx from 0 to pi and minus, अब ध्यान से देखना, this is sin x upon cos square x. Sin x upon cos square x means, sin x upon cos x is tan x, and still one cos x remain in the denominator, that is sec x. So I can write it as sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x, okay, dx from 0 to pi. And why I given the integration separately, so that we exactly come to know that which formula is applicable, and be careful to put the bracket because of the pi. Okay, so is equal to, now integration of sec square x, it is tan x, and sec x tan x integration is sec x. So we have the answer. So pi into, here it will be tan x, sec square x का आंसर क्या होगा, tan x from 0 to pi, and minus this answer will be sec x, and that also from 0 to pi. Okay, right. Now limits, upper limit minus lower limit रखो, so that is equal to pi into, now see, upper limit is pi, so tan pi is 0, tan 0 is 0, so the first term gone, it is simply 0 minus 0, ये हो गया. यहाँ पे sec pi, okay, sec pi will be minus 1 that we should know, trigonometry. Cos pi is minus 1, sec pi is also minus 1. Minus 1 and minus sec 0. So sec 0 is also 1. So it will be 1. So sec pi minus sec 0, that is minus 1 minus 1. And why I put again, I am telling you the bracket because of the pi. And this is 2i equal to, be careful. Now see, minus 1 minus 2, outside minus, so plus 2, so it will be 2 pi. So 2i is equal to 2 pi, 2 cut, and therefore finally you have I is equal to pi. So ये हो गया हमारा answer. Okay friends, right? So this is the way, dear children, you have to do these exercises. Okay, as I did sum number 12, no? Okay, you can try even the 13th, 14th, right? In the 13th, as if you want to write down the hint, just say check even and odd in the 13th sum. Okay, just 13th में check for odd even, and then you will get the answer whatever it is. ठीक है ना? So ये मैंने आपको खाली hint दे दिया है, you just try it. ठीक है? And you can do it in the homework. And 14 sum, again it is 0 to 2 pi, so instead of x you can put 2 pi minus x, right? So I think you should try 13, even 14 तो मैंने बोल दिया, 15 also you should try. At least what I am thinking is that you finished up to 15 sum. 16 समेत फिर आपको we'll do it, because 16 sum is quite important sum. It's a typical type sum. So 16 we will do in the next lecture. Okay, I think बाद में फिर 17, 18, 19 में भी इतना difficult नहीं है. But in the next lecture, most probably we will be almost about to finish this exercise. Okay friends, right? So my planning is that before our Christmas holiday starts, I will try to finish this chapter, because after that there is a last exercise, and the last exercise is all miscellaneous, that is all mix up. Okay, so I think there will be very few sums to be discussed. So 2 days we have, not 2 days actually, only 1 day. 24th will be no class. So I will try to finish. If not, then at least one lecture we will take up in the 2021. Okay, students? So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good day.